Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I'm going to show you how I prepare my egusi powder, grounded egusi. You see, this is my egusi. So I want to show you how I mix it with crayfish and pepper, so to preserve it for a long period. So this is my grounded pepper. So if you have interest in this grounded pepper powder, you can contact our WhatsApp number. So I'm going to show you, this is my big crayfish. If you have interest too. So I want to show you how I prepare it. I've already dried the egusi inside some. So you see, so this is our blended egusi. You see, with crayfish. You can use this to prepare different soup. Crayfish and pepper. So I want to pack it inside this rubber. So viewers, this is our blended egusi, blended with crayfish and pepper. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment. So we have locust beans. So viewers, this is blended egusi powder with crayfish and pepper. Okay, so here we have our locust beans. If you have interest, you can contact our WhatsApp number. So this is blended pepper. Okay, so here we have our dry okra. You can use this to prepare okra soup. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comments. When you want to prepare egusi, you can use locust beans to prepare it. So thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. Mwah. And this locust beans is mixed with salt to preserve it for a long period. This is for one of our viewers who order for it. Bye bye.